Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors. Today I've got the pleasure of showing you around this lovely 2017 17-plate Porsche Cayman 718. Now the car reads really well. So we've got just under £8,000 worth of factory options, and it's the options that you really look for when you're after one of these Caymans. We've got both keys and we're boasting a full Porsche main dealer service history, just recently serviced at Porsche Centre Bolton. Lovely car, finished in GT silver metallic, which is one of the most desirable colours for these cars. Shows off the lines of the car very nicely. We've got those lovely exterior options. So we're riding on the bigger alloy wheels. We're riding on the 20-inch multi-spoke alloys. All four wheels in fantastic order and riding on very nice Pirelli P0 tyres. We've got the Porsche brake calipers within the with the lettering. Looking at the actual bodywork, looking at the condition, it's a lovely car. It's been very well cared for. You can tell it's been cherished in the previous owner's ownership. Now this vehicle's got the sports exhaust, switchable sports exhaust, so that's on at the moment. I've put it in sport mode. It's got that lovely grumble, you've got that sort of thud, bum 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 bum. Sounds superb. 718 Cayman badging in black exhaust tips, rear parking sensors. Poking our head inside then, half leather, half Alcantara sports seats. And looking at those, they are in lovely order. So obviously, where do you normally pick up your wear? You tend to pick up wear on the bolsters, on the seat base. As you can tell, those are in very nice order. There's no staining to the Alcantara. We've got the Alcantara centre armrest with the Porsche Crest, which is a lovely option in my opinion. And then looking in there, you've got your USB. Porsche tailored floor mats. Both keys, this one's got this lovely carbon effect detailing. Electric windows, electric mirrors. Obviously we've got opening for front storage and rear storage, so I'll show you through to that in just a moment. Automatic lights. We've got the upgraded steering wheel on this one, the GT style steering wheel with the cutouts. Looks fantastic, really sporty and feels fantastic in the hand. We've got the PDK gearbox, obviously very sought after. They drive superb. One of the best gearboxes on the market today. You've got the flappy paddles allowing you to drive the car manually also. Now as we're doing the video today, the vehicle's only covered 46,379 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. On the side there you've got a little display, so we've got your audio on there, vehicle information, tyre pressure monitoring, trip computer, telephone, audio, that's all up on there. Jumping inside fully, we'll close the door and I'll show you through to the center screen. So we've got our tuner, which is a full DAB radio, so we've got all the extended channels. If we click through to source, you'll see we've got FM, DAB, jukebox, USB, aux and Bluetooth phone. Full phone connectivity. Home, you've got your car information, tuner, sound, so you can adjust the bass, the treble of the speakers. Dual zone climate control, so the passenger can have a different climate to the driver. Heated front seats, lovely factory option that. And then coming down to the bottom here, we've got our sport mode. We've got your adjustable suspension, so you've got sport chassis. You've got your opening electric spoiler. You've got your sport exhaust, which you can hear the difference when you switch it off. The burble goes off, it's sort of in incognito mode. We've got our cup holders there also. All the books, documentation which was supplied with the vehicle from new is still with the car there today. So everything, maintenance and guarantee. Can have a flick through that. So we've got 3 service stamps in the book. So I believe the vehicle was supplied by Porsche Centre Exeter. First service was done at Porsche Centre Wilmslow, and then the next 2 services were done at Porsche Centre Bolton. So the first one was done in 19, then we've got the 21 there, and then we've got one for this year, 2023, at 43,000 miles, so it's literally only done 2,500 miles since its last service. Popping all that back in there. We've got aux and USB in there also. Looking at the passenger seat, that's in nice condition. We've got auto dimming rear view mirror. And then lastly we'll just look through to the storage in the front. And then obviously these cars, a lot of them do tend to get raced and rallied, so looking at the actual front bumper, because you do, just the shape of the car, you do tend to pick up stone chips, but this one is in very, very nice order. Silver's quite a forgiving colour as well, so can't see any of the marks as much, but to be fair, looking at it there, there's nothing really to see. Under the front storage bonnet, I suppose, we've got our mobile kits there. We've got a window cleaning kit from Porsche, locking wheel nuts, that's all still in the car there. A little bit fiddly when you're doing it with one hand. And then on the other side you've got your tyre inflation kit also. So everything which was supplied with the car from new is still with the vehicle there today. But just a stunning looking car. So if you'd like any further information on the vehicle, please do get in touch. You can give us a call on 01942 231123. You can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. But thank you for watching, and we look forward to your inquiry.